You want to become certified in marketing? I want to show you this free course for just that. You're doom scrolling job boards and bam, there it is again. Marketing certification required. Feels like the career elevator left without you, right? Hold up. What if I told you you can grab a shiny recruiter magnet certificate for exactly $0.00? Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know the free course combo that turns I don't qualify into when can I start. Section 1, the sting of required. First time I spotted Google Ads certification preferred on a $50,000 junior role, I muttered, cool, I'll just sell a kidney for tuition. Spoiler, I didn't. 2 years later, I'm on the hiring side and that magic piece of paper, free. I'm handing you the map. I wish someone had slipped me. Section 2, why recruiters love these 3 letters. Recruiters don't want a $3,000 receipt. They want proof you speak CPM, CTR, and ROAS without subtitles. A free cert from Google, HubSpot, or eMarketing Institute shouts 3 things in 6 seconds. Self-starter, finishes stuff, beats the clock. That's the trifecta that flips your resume from May to Let's Chat Tuesday. Section 3, the one course wonder. Google Digital Garage's Fundamentals of Digital Marketing is the heavyweight champ. 26 snack-size modules, 40 hours total, captions included, exam at the end. Knock it out Friday to Sunday, latte in hand, and Google mails you a LinkedIn Ready certificate. No plastic, no fine print, no surprise, now pay us. Section 4, HubSpot Academy in one afternoon. HubSpot's digital marketing certification is the 5-hour sprint you run while the laundry spins. Mobile-friendly, open book test, instant badge. I passed mine between pancakes and maple syrup. You can too. Section 5, the eMarketing Institute wildcard. Hate videos? Download their 165-page PDF, skim on the subway, and test when you're ready. 50 questions, 50% pass, lifetime cert. More than 300,000 people already beat it. Recruiters recognize the logo. You just need to add your name to the list. Section 6, how to stack them for maximum impact. Don't stack the badges like cheap pancakes. Spread them. Google under education, HubSpot under licenses, eMarketing under projects. The bots think you've been cross-training. You binge-watched in sweats. Our secret. Section 7, the 48-hour action plan. Friday, crack open Google Digital Garage, smash 10 modules. Saturday, finish, take exam. Google lets you retake next day if you flub. Sunday AM, HubSpot quizzes, cert number 2. Sunday PM, skim eMarketing PDF, ACE test. Monday, LinkedIn glow up before the boss brews coffee. Section 8, common traps. People fall into. Trap 1, no practice. After each Google module, spin up the free Google Ads sandbox and build the dummy campaign. Trap 2, stealth mode. Flip LinkedIn notifications on. Every congrats is free algorithm love. Trap 3, cert spam. Swap HubSpot certified for used HubSpot SEO to bump blog traffic 27%. Numbers greater than nouns. Section 9, what if you need more? Meta Blueprint dishes out free Facebook ads lessons. Allison hands you CPD accredited diplomas that sound Ivy League pricey. Land the interview first. Let your new boss bankroll the fancy stuff later. Save tuition. Smash subscribe. Fresh zero-cost career hacks drop weekly. Section 10, quick-fire questions I get asked. Expiry, Google equals 1 year, HubSpot equals 2 years, eMarketing equals forever. Recruiters check. Some might. Keep PDFs in Google Drive. Email signature, resize so it doesn't scream look at me. Guarantee job, nothing does, but these shave 83% off application friction based on a 1,200 viewer poll. Section 11, the psychology of free. Free doesn't scream cheap, it screams clever. Tell the story. You hustled, self-taught, crushed proctored exams solo. That beats a $200 night class where you fought to stay awake. Section 12, your LinkedIn headline rewrite. Delete seeking opportunities. Plug in entry-level marketer, Google certified, HubSpot SEO, open to roles. Watch connection request jump from 12% to 31%. Recruiters Cultural F for those exact words. Section 13, the follow-up message template. Hi name, just grabbed my Google Digital Garage cert and saw your team rocks Performance Max. Would love to swap notes. Thanks for the inspiration. Flattery plus keyword equals acceptance almost every time. Section 14, recap in plain English. Google equals credibility. HubSpot equals speed. eMarketing equals flexibility. Stack in 48 hours. Scatter across resume and LinkedIn, and you're certified marketer before next payroll drops. Hit apply on that job tab you've been hoarding, then circle back and brag which cert landed the interview. I read every comment, and I'm rooting for you.